Hi guys, I got bad news and good news, but mostly bad news. My fancy girl here is hurt. She's hurt. My poor baby is hurt. We took her to the vet today. They said she should be fine. She just sprained her foot. But so they gave us some pain medicine for her. So she's doing a lot better. But my poor baby girl got hurt today. Her little foot sprained. But she has pain medicine to help her. My baby girl. Poor baby girl. Hey, you wanna go back on your bed? Okay, so that's the bad news. My poor baby's hurt, but she's doing better. I caught a ladybug. It was drowning in the pond. But yeah, I have a little ladybug in here. Hopefully it brings good luck. But did you know ladybugs are actually carnivores? It's crazy, right? But my fancy girl's doing better, is the main thing. But yep, have a ladybug and a cricket in here for her to eat. But thank you guys for watching and tune in next time.